Hey everyone, and welcome to Normalives. Today we're talking about your kidneys, those amazing little organs that work tirelessly behind the scenes to keep you healthy. While there's no magic detox for your kidneys, they do appreciate a healthy lifestyle. And guess what? Certain fruits can be superstar supporters for your kidneys. So buckle up, grab a healthy snack, maybe some fruit, and let's dive into the top 3 fruits to support your kidney health. So number 1. We have citrus superstars like grapefruits, oranges, lemons, limes. They're all packed with 2 key players, vitamin C and citrate. Vitamin C power, citrus fruits like grapefruits, oranges, lemons, and limes are loaded with vitamin C. This essential vitamin acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage throughout the body, including those in the kidneys. Citrate's anti-stone benefits. These fruits are champions against kidney stones. They contain citrate, a compound that binds to calcium in urine, preventing it from forming crystals that can develop into stones. Hydration hero. Most citrus fruits boast a high water content, contributing to your daily fluid intake. Adequate hydration is crucial for proper kidney function, as it helps flush out waste products. Important note: be mindful of potassium content in some citrus fruits. If you have pre-existing kidney disease, consult a doctor before significantly increasing your intake. Number 2. Berries antioxidant arsenal. Berries like cranberries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants. These powerful compounds help combat inflammation throughout the body, including in the kidneys. Chronic inflammation is a risk factor for many health conditions, including chronic kidney disease. Fiber for overall health. Berries are a good source of fiber, which promotes gut health. A healthy gut can indirectly improve overall health and potentially reduce stress on the kidneys. Important note: certain berries, like cranberries, can be higher in potassium. If you have pre-existing kidney disease, talk to your doctor before significantly upping your berry intake. Number 3. Watermelon, nature's diuretic delight. Hydration hero. Watermelon is a quintessential summer fruit, and for good reason. Over 90% water, it acts as a natural diuretic. Increased urine output can help flush out waste products and toxins from the kidneys. Electrolyte replenishment. Watermelon also contains electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, which are lost through urination. However, those with restricted potassium intake should consult a doctor before consuming large amounts of watermelon. Always remember: 1. A balanced diet with a variety of fruits and vegetables is key for optimal kidney health. 2. If you have pre-existing kidney issues, consult a doctor before making significant dietary changes. 3. Focus on an overall healthy lifestyle that includes adequate hydration, moderate sodium intake, regular exercise, and managing stress to support your kidneys. So there you have it. 3 fantastic fruits to support your kidney health. Remember, a balanced diet with a variety of fruits and vegetables is key. And always consult your doctor before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have pre-existing kidney issues. For more tips on healthy living, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We'll be back soon with more ways to keep your body feeling its best. Thanks for watching.